Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best GoPro stabilizers and gimbals that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 4-in-1 action camera DSLR camcorder stabilizer. With this stabilizer, your picture and videos will be more precise and more captivating. It features a practical mount for quick mounting and works with many kinds of GoPro and action cameras. The unit stays steady throughout and reduces unnecessary shaking and movement. It is lighter than most options out there but is well built to endure the knocks, vibrations, bangs and can be used outdoors and also indoors. The intuitive design and smooth stabilization make using it simple, whereas the lightweight improves mobility. It's high quality and shouldn't last a long time. Moving on at number 4, we have the 3-axis action camera GoPro Inertia Gyro stabilizer. If you want the smoothest operation when using your GoPro, then this stabilizer will be perfect. It is not only practical but simple for quick and easy mounting of the camera. The unit grips the camera nicely to prevent accidental falls and moves swiftly for good performance. It is also very silent, thanks to its intuitive and superior design. The lightweight piece can handle heavy GoPro well and can easily be operated using one hand. This suits it for most daily needs including travel, extreme performance, indoor and outdoor use. Consumers also praise it for its sleek and elegant design. At number 3, we have the Pro Video Camera GoPro Stabilizer. This handheld camera stabilizer works well with different GoPro and DSLR cameras. It features a unique and functional design for easy operation and is well built to handle the shaking, impact, regular use, and the camera's weight. And like other top products, it's effortless to use and operate thanks to its superior design. You can operate the unit with one hand, can use it in many situations including hiking, skating, jogging, biking, and driving. The camera mounts easily and remains stable and doesn't shake too much. This assures you of crystal clear, shake-free videos and photos. At number 2, we have the 3-axis handheld aluminum electronic GoPro stabilizer. Although it may be small and lightweight, this stabilizer can handle any GoPro as well as most DSLR cameras. The unit is famed for its good engineering that provides nice support and also keeps the camera secure. It also has excellent stabilization for blur-free videos and images and can easily be operated using one hand. The unit is the right choice for professionals and amateurs and has a nice firm grip handle. It's also ergonomically designed for improved comfort and to prevent fatigue, mainly when used for an extended period. And finally at number 1, we have the G5V2 3-axis splash-proof GoPro handheld gimbal. The Feiyu 3-axis gimbal stabilizer is suitable for sports, travel, hiking, and other activities. It comes with a simple handheld design for easy use and convenience and works with many types of GoPro cameras. The unit is fit for amateurs and professionals and has great stabilization and operates relatively quiet. It features an ergonomic design and a firm grip for maximum comfort and easy operation. The solid design and high quality for many conditions including the extreme outdoors while the compact and portable nature improve handling and storage. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.